Mexico just tried to bully Texas over its anti-sanctuary law by invading state's legal system. The sheer audacity of a foreign country attempting to directly influence our sovereignty, and indirectly our national security, is by definition an act of war, and while we wouldn't consider taking military action against Mexico, their provocative act is nevertheless a hostile breach of international law and no different from Russia attempting to affect our election process. Moreover, Mexico's attempt in filing a legal affidavit on Monday interfering with our judicial and legislative processes tantamount to an armed invasion by a foreign power, attempting to take control of that nation's sovereignty. Imagine for a moment if America by legal maneuvering through the courts attempted to change Mexican immigration law. At issue is Texas's implementation of Governor Abbott's new legislation targeting sanctuary cities in his state. The new legislation empowers law enforcement agents to question, and if need be, detain suspected aliens, after being arrested, and inquire regarding their immigration status. Somehow Mexico has decided what legally takes place in Texas is somehow their concern. In a statement, the Mexican government attempted to explain their reason for instituting this hostile action, suggesting that the Texas law could increase racial discrimination and create an environment of persecution. The absurd and quite frankly asinine comments seem to parrot those on the left, those same folks that claim President Trump is somehow not the president. Moreover, the Mexican court filing seems to coincide with numerous calls received to a political activist organization advocating for Mexicans in Texas that claim they've received an increase of over 678% calls from Mexicans in the state of Texas worried over the uncertainty and anguish within their community, in short deporting those that reside in the state of Texas illegally. The new law referenced as Senate Bill 4 punishes local officials that don't comply with federal immigration detainees. The governor signed the bill into law in May, said this could lead to sheriffs of sanctuary cities being in the same jail with the criminals they are trying to protect. Attorney General Jeff Sessions said in a statement, "The Department of Justice fully supports Texas's effort and is participating in this lawsuit because of the strong federal interest in facilitating the state and local cooperation that is critical in enforcing our nation's immigration laws."